Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be going over I Love to Be in Your Presence by Paul Baloche in the key of G. So we're going to start off with our ring finger and our pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the B in the high E string. And we're going to be plucking down on the bottom 3 strings. So G, B, E, and then back up. G, B, E, B, G. And we'll do that twice. Then we're going to go down to, that G's going to stay open, okay? And then we'll go down to the 1st fret of the B string with your index finger. So we go G, B, E, B, G, B, B, G. So follow me on that. To open. So again, that's G, B, E, G, G, B, E, G, B, then back to G, E, B, G. So it's kind of like it goes straight down and back up, and then it goes from the G to the high E, and then back down. To that, and then it repeats it again. Then it comes up here to the 12th fret, and so it's got a really funky strumming pattern on that. So you're just holding your index finger across the, let's see, the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd strings on the 12th fret, okay? And then you're hitting that 11th or 13th fret right there on the B string. So right here I'm kind of muting some of these other strings so I don't accidentally hit them. Then it just goes down to the 10th fret. Back up to the 12th fret. And then right here it kind of just does like a weird little variance where it slides down to the 9th and back up to the 10th. And then it plays that again. And then it comes up here to the 17th and the 18th fret. So 17th on the G string, 18th on the B string, and again I'm kind of like trying to mute some of these strings up here so I don't hit them. And then I kind of just slide off as I go down. Comes down here, and it follows the picking pattern is similar to the intro, but it changes, comes up here. So follow me here. So it goes G, B, E, G, or G, B, E, B, G, E, B, G. Put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the A string. I believe that's an A. C right there. So C, okay? And then it does the same picking pattern. So the C right there. Back down to the B right there. Then it comes up here to the pinky and the ring finger. So the pinky's on the 5th fret of the A string, ring fingers on the 4th fret of the D string, and your index finger, it's a stretch, is on the 2nd fret of the G string. And it goes, so it goes the D string, or A string, D string, G string, back down to the D string, and then it goes to the G string, back down to D, back up to the G. So let's play that nice and slow. D, open, or it's still on right there on the 2nd fret. So 2nd fret, off, back on that D, and then back playing it that G string open again, and then it goes. It will play that again. And it goes right back into it again. Except this time it walks back, it just plays this once. Back up to that C. Back down to the G. And then it goes right back into the... So it only plays it once. It goes right back into that melodic rhythm we were playing. Down to an F, to a G, now it's up here on the 12th and the 14th fret on the B, or on the A, B string, so 14th and 16th. 5th and 7th fret down there, still on that A and the B string, or A and the D. 8th and the 10th right there. And then it goes right back into that melodic picking again. Last time. Hammers on that a little bit longer this time. Now it plays that probably, I don't know, 5 or 6 times while there's a guitar solo going on. And after that, it comes back down into this, the whole band breaks down and it plays that kind of like the intro part. And then it ends the song with that same riff. So you play that back and forth probably about 6 times and then the song ends. So I hope this helped you out today. This is a great song, and you know, it's really fast, so I recommend, you know, slowing it down. You could play it on YouTube and adjust the settings at like 75%. It will help you like get through the song a little bit easier, especially with some of the chord changes. So thanks again for coming back and checking out the channel, and I hope you enjoyed today's guitar lesson. And please like, subscribe, and share, and click that notification button. Thank you.